What's up guys, Anurag here, back with another video. Now let's take a look at the Belkin Surge Protector 6 socket. So I'll just open the box guys, 2 minutes. Okay guys, let us open. So guys, after removing the plastic, then there's a box inside. So let me open this also. So guys, after removing the tape, now we have this beautiful box, the Belkin one. This is the Belkin Surge Protector. So guys, 1 minute. So guys, this is the Belkin Surge Protector for home electronics, connected equipment warranty, coverage up to INR 20,000, limited lifetime warranty. So guys, this also has some nice features: 6 sockets, 2 meters, 420 joules and 6 ampere, 1500 watts. So this is the Belkin Surge Protector guys. It has 6 sockets. So its MRP is 1500, but I got it for 900 in an offer on Amazon. I'll keep the link in the description. So let me open it. So guys, I opened the box. So when you open the box, we get some paperwork, the warranty card and all. And then this is our surge protector. So guys, on the back of the box, so we get the Belkin brand, surge protector, and some features of it, and some information about the surge protector, what inside the surge protector. Now let's see the surge protector guys. So this is the surge protector. This is the button. Then these all sockets will get power, and then we can keep and just charge our devices. This is the cable. So guys, thank you guys for watching. We'll meet in another video. Like, share, subscribe. Thank you guys, and I'll also keep the Belkin another video when I plug all the devices into it. Thank you guys. Bye.